But we're not going to make it that far because there's a place to camp right before we get there.
Right.
So we'll be in the country today in a little while.
All right. Yeah, this was Cranbrook here. So stay tuned. Pretty views to come. Post how far something is.
It's kilometers.
Kilometers, not miles.
Right. So it's slightly
less or more.
It's less. If we're saying it's 140 kilometers, it's going to be like 120 miles. It's a high number, but it's not like 100 kilometers a mile an hour is 60 miles an hour. 61
gotcha.
Or 62. See what I'm saying?
Right.
So it's not the miles we're thinking. It's not miles, it's kilometers. They'll say a lot, but then it's probably a third of that amount. That's a good way to look at it. So you take off 20 or 30.
Well, we got breakfast at Tim Hortons this morning, and we just got the sandwiches. It was $10.
Mm-hmm. Wildlife corridor. Drive with care.
We're ready to see something, aren't we, folks?
Yep.
Just in time.
You know what we came through yesterday?
Roger that.
What'd you do? Hear that on local radio or something?
Yeah, I heard it on the Cranbrook radio station.
I'm gonna do a 360 for y'all. We're parked right here. I think this is called the crossing. Okay. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous spot. They let us camp here in their parking lot for free. You hear Mr. Childers trying to be Canadian. Well, here's a building, sorry. But there's mountains on the other side of that one. There we go. You can pick up the mountain again. And of course, there's mountains behind the trees over there. And there we are again. And Mr. C. It's beautiful. We're going to the glacier area tomorrow. Oh, we'll keep you posted. Good morning. We are leaving the Saskatchewan River Crossing. Our mountains disappeared overnight. A little bit of the mountains are trying to show through right there. Completely fogged in. We are leaving here in a few minutes, and hopefully this will lift on our way out. Is that not eerie?